advisor, but honey, I can tell you what not to do. I am Tiffany Clemens, owner of Pretty Fashion LLC, 10-year cosmetologist, and I am here just to share my knowledge and my wisdom and all of the good stuff that I learned along the way to prevent you from making the same mistakes. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can know when I'm posting and you can get to see my new content. Thank you. So let's get into it. Today we will be talking about financial management. I'm not a financial advisor, but honey, I can tell you what not to do as far as the money is concerned to keep your business operating and function properly. In the beginning of my journey in 2015, well, let me rewind. When I was in hair school, we did talk about LLCs, we did talk about financial management and things of that nature, but who remembers what they did from hair school? Who returned back to the book and actually looked at what they were doing? Who was just happy that they got a license and was able to do people's hair? So who just jumped out there and did what they had to do? Okay. To let people know that they were doing hair. Me. Yay. I just jumped out there. I just did it cold turkey. Just jumped out there and off of faith and just was doing people hair. I didn't know. I was eating the money. I was buying products. I was buying products, making sure my products and tools was there so I could perform the job. And that's all I knew to do. I didn't know much about credit, business credit, or anything like that. Now, what I did do what I did do after graduating cosmetology school that was very helpful. I went ahead and got the LLC like we were taught, and I got an EIN number and did I have a business bank account? No, I didn't always have a business bank account, but I didn't even always have bank accounts, to be honest. I had prepaid cards. I prepaid my way through life. I put money on my cards and paid my cell phone bill and the other little bills that I had. I did not have a lot of bills starting out. I did not. So gas, food, hair products, hair tools was where my money went. I didn't travel as much. I wish I would have traveled more in my earlier 20s, but I didn't. So anyway, investing back into my business, I was pretty good at that. I invested back in here, everything. Like, I was very good at investing back into my business. So, but I didn't have control over my finances as I should have back then, because I probably would have been rich. If I would have controlled my money like I was supposed to, like the things I know now, things I didn't do, I probably would have been rich right now if I would have did it the right way. But anyway, so we have different ways. Everything is so digital now too. So it's even easier to keep track of your ins and outs. Back then we were writing stuff on little pieces of paper, and I was just taking stuff to my tax preparer and like, hey, and this is what I put back into the business. That's all I have proof of. I didn't even have proof really of. I didn't keep receipts as much. I started keeping receipts back in 2016, 17-ish. I started keeping all my receipts because I learned that keeping my receipts was helpful. I did not know why older hairstylists would have all these damn receipts in boxes and stuff, but now I do. Self-employed person, you have to keep track of the money that goes out and the money that comes in. Is very important. So that's why a lot of people keep their receipts for about 5 years for tax purposes. And when you file your taxes, you have proof. Hey, I purchased this. I did that. You know, the amount of money adds up. It's good to have all your files, your paperwork, everything in one place, just in case. And there's going to be a time. There's going to be a time where you're going to want bigger and better things for yourself, and you're going to want to show that you're actually making money and that you're not spending it all on tools and implements and all these tax write-offs. You're gonna want to show that you're actually able to afford a vehicle or a house. You're going to want to show those things, and you're going to have to pay the IRS. In some cases, you will have to pay taxes back to the IRS. So it's very good that you stay organized when it comes to your finances. So the system that I recently started using, I had to get my money organized, get my money all in one place, because I had multiple bank accounts. When I did start having bank accounts, I had multiple bank accounts, but business money was going one place. I was taking maybe $50 out a week, which is nothing, to pay myself and all of this other stuff. I was so unorganized. So now I have budgets. I have an eating budget. I have a spending budget. I have budgets in place. But Square has made it very easy for me to keep up with the deposits and income that I make monthly off of particular services, weekly. It has been very easy to manage my finances better through Square. Unlike my business account, I can't really go in there and say, well, sometimes it'll take out the expenses and everything, business expenses or miscellaneous things that I spend money on, or like tools. I have to go in there and actually put those things in, or personal. Try not to spend personal money. And also, what I've been looking into lately is creating, put myself on payroll. Putting yourself on payroll helps manage money as well, so you'll know exactly how much you're spending in your personal life. If you put yourself on your list as an employee for your business, that's very helpful when it comes to managing money. But there are different accounting software that you can use to actually type in. It's a good, great habit to have, by typing in all the money that you spend a day, how much money you made a day, how much money you have left over. It's a great habit to get in. If you're not tech savvy or into electronic devices or used to working on a computer or laptop, that is a very great way to start managing your money and your finances better, and being able to budget your business life and your personal life is a great way to keep up with your finances. Now, if you're to the point where you can hire an accountant, that would be good to help you properly manage your finances the right way, and you'll know what you're doing, or where your business stands at financially. It's a great way. Hiring an accountant is very awesome. Somebody that you can trust to look over your finances and tell you what you can spend and what you can't spend, or where you at overall. It's a good way, and it's a great way to keep up with taxes. Keep your finances from looking like they're fluctuating or really putting your business at risk. It is a great if you can hire an accountant, or you can begin with QuickBooks or other accounting software, or just Square, looking at that, or just strictly using your business card for business purposes and keeping track of that. And also keeping your personal life on a budget. Keeping yourself on a budget in your personal life is very beneficial. I hope that this video is very helpful for cosmetologists that are transitioning or new to this industry. I hope I explained it well, but stay tuned, because I also have some products that will be available to assist you furthermore. It was very beneficial and helpful for beginner and transitioning cosmetologists. Click the link below if you would like to sign up for my email list. More information and knowledge will be available to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Okay. See you next time. Love y'all.